did get a call for an audition, and again Gurbaz was something that they wanted me to try for. I didn't know much about it. Punjabi energy was there, which is great क्योंकि Punjabi character play कर रहा था. Finally, the day happened. I auditioned with Varun, and I had a good feeling then. So I just went to the gym, थोड़ा pumped up some iron, थोड़ा became a little bigger, broader. मैं यही चाहता था कि मैं Varun इतने sync में बैठे कि लोग देखें तो क्या कि यार ये हैं यार, they are like brothers.
आज से my brother from another mother.
और उनके रीजन जो फाइट करने के वो भी उन दोनों के रीजनिंग दोनों के पर्सपेक्टिव से सही है.
Hi, this is Dad Shukla from Take One Filmy, and I have with me Danish Sood.
Hi.
A very warm welcome to Film. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you
as
for
well.
hosting us.
Thank you for coming here.
How was it? How was the day?
It was nice. We had a podcast before this, so we just came home, and thank you. I hope you guys didn't have to wait, and thank you for coming home, and hope you guys like my humble abode.
His house is very homely.
It is.
Yeah, it is. But okay, I'll straight away jump to Naam Namak Nishaan first because वो नमक ताज़ा ताज़ा है, वो मुझे बात करनी है उसके बारे में. Then I'll deep dive everywhere else. How did it happen to you? How did Naam Namak Nishaan happen to you?
When the script was actually brewing up, I did get a call for an audition, and again Gurbaz was something that they wanted me to try for. I did audition for it. I auditioned for it very vaguely. उस समय I didn't know much about it. I just didn't catch so Punjabi Punjabi energy was there, which is great क्योंकि पंजाबी कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा था. तो पहला ऑडिशन अच्छा गया, दूसरा भी दिया फिर, पर तब भी मतलब ऐसा कुछ मतलब I didn't know much about it and कुछ समझ नहीं आता. They gave me a good brief synopsis about what the show is going to be about, and पता नहीं यार, I auditioned so much in life कि पता नहीं होता क्या वर्कआउट करता है क्या नहीं करेगा. And then eventually they wanted me to try out some chemistry tests. They wanted me the channel to look at me and be like they want to see Danish audition more. And finally the day happened. I auditioned with Varun, and I had a good feeling then. And I was like, यार हो सकता है
इतना कुछ हो रहा है तो कुछ तो हो रहा होगा.
हो जाए. And everyone also looked very positive around me, and they were like, it's nice, it's अच्छा लग रहा है. Even though you might be great at what you do, but the whole chemistry angle also was good because these two guys keep on competing against one another. There has to be this contrast, this kind of tension that also comes out, also blood, brotherhood, everything mixed together. तो वो जब हुआ ऑडिशन मुझे लगा कि यार ये हो गया. And then I didn't hear from them for some time. And then one day I was like, they were like, हो गया. And then the show didn't start shooting. So I was like, यार ये वो शायद हो सकता है कि होता है और फिर शायद थोड़ी देर बैठना पड़ेगा. But luckily थोड़ा पुश हुआ गर्मी की वजह से and चेन्नई में permissions की वजह से. And then we begun. Luckily I got good time to prepare, play some sports and become more athletic and sportsy.
मैं उस पे आने वाला था. We were chatting off camera.
Yeah.
How did you become this? Like कितना टाइम लगा? Okay, so preparation में was it just sports or building on yourself? How was it?
Even Pind Boy Punjabi is like, I'm from Delhi Punjabi.
Yeah.
We talk very कैसे कहते हैं ना वो थोड़ी we talk polished Punjabi. और पंजाब में जो तो where he is actually from बहुत ही ज़्यादा nuanced, बड़े छोटे words भी होते हैं. And luckily in the beginning he was very ठेठ, very ground earthy and everything. Luckily with time it became more, but that got me a good time to get into Gurbaz's shoes and play Gurbaz as someone who feels strongly about Punjab. And like he is Punjabi. Like the first time he meets Yuvraj also, he's like Gurbaz Punjab. Like that's my definition. I'm not like Gurbaz India. Chand India. नहीं है वो. And then it was really fun. फिर वो थोड़ा they also wanted me to get in the nitty-gritties of he's a skeet rifle shooter. तो मेरे फ्लैटमेट की एक्चुअली बहन एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल शूटर है. तो शी यूज्ड टू कम हियर टू गेट हर लाइक गन्स वन्स क्लीन कराने के लिए आती थी. तो तब उसने मुझे एजुकेट किया अबाउट द स्पोर्ट. आई गॉट मोर क्लासेस. आई रेड अबाउट इट लिटिल बिट. प्ले डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स. बॉक्सिंग है इसमें, स्विमिंग है इसमें, ड्रिल्स हैं. तो वो भी हमें छोटे छोटे क्रैश कोर्सेज मिलते रहे. And then Gurbaz became this athletic individual. Then I thought कि थोड़ा lean and lanky हूँ, plus Varun भी था. So I wanted to build. And Varun दोनों sports खेलता भी है in a way. So I had to just be in a space that like Gurbaz is very competitive, and there'll be times when you won't think that he's winning, but he will win. So like that's a bit of it's a bit of like a spoiler also in some ways because there's some places where you're like नहीं यार इसके सामने इसमें तो नहीं हारेगा. But वही उसकी charm थी कि उसका जो his focus and mentally was so sound कि आई वांटेड कि एटलीस्ट दे शुड एटलीस्ट लुक एट इट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट दे आर थोड़े जोड़ी इसकी टक्कर दे सकता है ये, नॉट जस्ट बी लाइक इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. Believable for the eyes is also the most important thing. So I just went to the gym, thoda pumped up some iron, thoda became a little bigger, broader, because can't be lean and lanky. Although cadets are, but slightly more athletic. Because जो आर्मी वाले लोग भी होते हैं, the ones who are also doing rifle shooting, they have very strong, like long shoulders because these are the muscles that actually get used. तो उस पे काफी काम किया. I built a frame and Gurbaz was ready in my opinion, and then it came on.
You met Varun for the first time for the show, or you knew, like, you had met him before?
I had never met him actually.
And you know, I was telling this to you, a lot
brothers.
of people think that you guys are related. I don't know why, but yeah, the thing. But so, like, did you guys just gel? Because I know, like you said, brotherhood भी है, but then some tension भी है. So was there a brief कि दूर रहना है, मिलना है, क्या सीन है, या सब offset मस्ती चल रहा है?
The thing is, अगर आप अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते हो ना, तो अच्छे दोस्त भी लड़ते हैं.
हाँ, बहुत लड़ते हैं.
पर अच्छी दोस्ती दिखने के लिए अच्छे दोस्त बनना जरूरी है. So I think that was something that was very important for both of us. कि यार हम केमिस्ट्री टेस्ट भी कर रहे थे, तो मैं और वरुण चाहते थे, सबने हमें यही बोला कि तुम दोनों दोस्त बन जाओ, बाकी सब हो जाएगा. बाकी क्योंकि you have a best friend, you won't fight with your best friend, you will, right? मैं भी लड़ता हूँ अपने दोस्तों से, मतलब sorry to them, but मैं यही चाहता था कि मैं और वरुण इतने सिंक में बैठे कि लोग देखे तो कहे कि यार ये हैं यार, they are like brothers, but और उनके रीजंस जो फाइट करने के वो भी उन दोनों के रीजनिंग दोनों के पर्सपेक्टिव से सही है, और वो सही चीज़ है, वो होना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए टकरार होने के लिए भी दोस्ती गहरी होनी है चाहिए एक्चुअली.
बट यू नो दैट ब्रदर इज विजिबल ऑन ब्रदरहुड, एंड वो बोल रहे ना आपके, वो होना चाहिए, इट्स विजिबल ऑन द पोस्टर आल्सो.
आई एम ग्लैड एक्चुअली, मैं ये चाहता भी था. और शो में भी आप देखोगे तो जो बिट्स भी है ना, हम दोनों बहुत डिफरेंट लगते हैं शो में, और वही बिकम्स दैट बॉन्डिंग फैक्टर एज वेल. लाइक यू नो, पंजाब बॉय, पंजाबी पिंड बॉय, लाइफ का कोई कुछ इधर नहीं है, वो लक्ष्य वाला वो लड़का है. लाइक दिस करण शेरगिल हु डजंट गिव एनीथिंग, ही डजंट थिंक अबाउट लाइफ इन एनीथिंग, डिसिप्लिन कुछ नहीं है, बस राइफल चलानी आती है. और वही वाली बात है कि वो पंजाबी खून है उसके अंदर, छोटी छोटी बातों में गुस्सा हो जाता है. हाँ, और वरुण दिखाया बहुत काम, कंपोज, स्टॉइक, ना मुंह से आवाज निकलती है, ना गुस्सा एक्सप्रेस कर पाता है, ना रो पाता है, और यहाँ ये छोटी छोटी बातों पे रोना शुरू कर देता है.
टेक मी बैक टू योर बिगिनिंग ऑडिशन डेज ना. डिड यू डू दोस? अभी आई थिंक अभी तो कोविड के बाद इट्स ऑनलाइन, बट पहले डिड यू डू दोस आराम नगर चक्कर?
100%. आई केम टू बॉम्बे
व्हेन डिड यू शिफ्ट?
आई थिंक 2019 मिड, आई थिंक.
हाइला कोविड से थोड़े दिन पहले.
हाँ. मैं एक कोर्स करने आ जाता था यहाँ पे, एक्सेवियर में फिल्म मेकिंग कोर्स होता है.
अच्छा.
एंड दैट वाज द ओनली वे टू गेट टू बॉम्बे, क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली भी लाइक दे बिलोंग टू वेरी एजुकेटेड बैकग्राउंड ऑफ लाइक देयर डॉक्टर्स एंड ऑल. हाँ, तो उनको नहीं पता था कि यार कैसे है बॉम्बे, और मेरे डैड कहते थे बैग लेके चला जाओ, और मतलब उनको भी समझ नहीं आता था इसका मतलब क्या, और मैं कहता था कि इस बात में कोई इट डजंट इवन मेक सेंस. तो आई केम हियर एंड शुरू में वो चक्कर लगाए मैंने, वो जो थे इंट्रोडक्शंस वाले, वायरफ वाले, एमसीसी वाले, जिसमें खड़ा होना होता है एक लंबी सी लाइन में, और दोस्त बन जाते हैं, और वहाँ पे दोस्ती अच्छी होती है
लाइन के अंदर ही ना.
हाँ जी, और 6-7 लोग मिल जाते हैं यार, वो एक बहुत प्यारा झुंड होता है. मैं कॉलेज जाता था तो मैं इतनी लाइनों में नहीं जाता था, बट आप मानोगे नहीं कि इतने रैंडम दोस्त बनते थे कि वो नाराज हो गए मुझसे एक दिन कि मैं आया नहीं. उन्होंने कहा आज तो इतने सारे हो रहे थे, तो आज क्यों नहीं आया? एंड दे वर अपसेट एट मी. सो देयर वर सो मेनी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स. एंड अगेन इतना लाइक लाइनों में खड़ा होना और वो देखना ना जिंदगी, क्योंकि वो वेट करते हो कि यार इंट्रोडक्शन, और वो गर्मी होती है, बारिश होती है. By the time you reach to give the introduction, you're drenched in sweat. अगर बारिश हुई तो भगवान बचाएगा आपको. आप खड़े होते हो और आप कहते हो अब तो ले लो, मैं घर जाना चाहता हूँ.
ये मैं हूँ.
ये मैं हूँ. एंड शुरू में ऑडिशंस भी इंटरेस्टिंग थे, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत थिएटर दिल्ली में किया था, तो एक्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती थी, पर उस समय ओटीटी स्पेस थोड़ा ब्लो अप कर रहा था. तो हॉस्टेजेस मैंने ऑडिशन किया था. हॉस्टेजेस मुझे थोड़ा लकी था शुरू में कि फॉर्चुनेटली काम थोड़ा जल्दी मिला. मे बी नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ माई बेस्ट एक्टिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ मी बीइंग लकी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर्चुनेट एट टाइम्स की अपॉर्चुनिटीज थोड़ी ईजिली वर्कआउट करें. फिर मेरा कॉलेज कोर्स खत्म हुआ था, सूटेबल बॉय आई थिंक का ऑडिशन चल रहा था, एंड आई वाज वेरी लाइक ऑडिशन फॉर दीज मेन गाइज, एंड आई देन मिनट एंड आई वाज लकी इनफ टू इवन ऑडिशन फॉर मीरा फॉर वन ऑफ द पार्ट्स, एंड आई वाज लाइक यार शायद लग गया, लाइक इट्स अ सिक्सर, आई हैव गॉटन इट. बट देन रियलाइज नहीं मिला, और तब वो इतना रिजेक्शन देखी नहीं थी, समझी नहीं, तो आई वाज आल्सो वेरी लाइक टेकन अबैक, एंड आई वाज लाइक लाइफ की अपॉर्चुनिटी, सब दुनिया जिंदगी खत्म. दिल्ली चला गया मैं 1 महीने के लिए, और घर में मैंने कहा यार, और मैं दिल्ली गया भी था मिलने, तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो मैं मेरे साथ कैसे हो सकता है, मैं तो
मैं ही क्यों?
मैं तो होने वाला था अभी। एंड आई रियलाइज दैट विद टाइम कि यार ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती रहती हैं, समय चेंज होता रहता है। फिर आई थिंक वर्क स्टार्टेड रियली पुशिंग, देन दैट स्विस फिल्म हैपेंड व्हिच वाज इंटरेस्टिंग एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। देन कोविड के टाइम बहुत काम मिला which was odd, like खाली थे लोग और मैं भी भटक रहा था काम के लिए। पर लकीली मैं फेम गेम कोविड के टाइम आया, फेम गेम खत्म होते ही जुगाड़िस्तान उससे पहले आ गया, तो कोविड चलते चलते ही शोज आने शुरू हो गए और काम मिलना शुरू हो गया। फिर उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा चूजी भी हो गया क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि यार अब थोड़ा एक्टर बन रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा एक्टिंग करूँगा अच्छे से, साथ में म्यूजिक भी आ गया, तो लगा कि ठीक है अब सस्टेनेबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ज़िंदगी के अलग अलग मिल रहे हैं। तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी थी क्योंकि शुरू में तो बहुत लगता था कि पॉसिबल नहीं है, और मम्मी पापा कहते थे कि देख लियो अगर MBA करनी है तो अभी भी टाइम है।
अभी भी बोलते हैं वो?
अब नहीं बोलते।
अच्छा, ओके।
बिकॉज अब म्यूजिक भी थोड़ा आ गया तो लगता है चल ठीक है कुछ नहीं है तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ नहीं हो तो कर ही लेगा कहीं ना कहीं। बट उस बीच में था, देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन कोविड के टाइम पे दे वर लाइक कि देख ली तूने डिग्री कर ली है, इट्स ग्रेट, यू नो, थोड़ा कूल लगेगा, यू विल बी डूइंग दिस गाय हु
व्हाट डिड यू डू?
इकोनॉमिक्स।
ओह,
सो या
फ्रॉम दिल्ली?
आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, Yale University.
ओह वाओ,
So
व्हिच कॉलेज?
Ramjas.
ओह नाइस।
He's yeah, it was a great degree, बहुत इको में भी अच्छा था। मैं स्टूडियस बच्चों में से था तो कभी इतना मुश्किल नहीं था, पढ़ाई पसंद थी नहीं, बस टारगेट लगता था इसलिए अचीव करने की कोशिश
Not
करता
bad at it.
I was great at it actually. Like I don't want to shy away from saying that I was really studious. So
You can boast it.
yeah, 100%. I was so good, and I mean it with all my love and luck. And
humility.
people can go check my sources and everything. I was really good at studies. And achieving का मुझे बहुत शौक था चीज़ों में. I wanted to be master of everything. Like you know वो master of all trades, jack of all trades, master of none. मैं jack of all trades बनना शुरू कर दिया उसी समय की. कोविड में टाइम मिला तो खाली था तो म्यूजिक करना शुरू कर दिया. थोड़ा मतलब in a more professional manner, in a more way of like treating it as an occupation rather than just a hobby, which is what even how acting also started, like from doing theatre in college to then actually making it from a hobby to a profession. That was a big job, career choice for me as well. क्योंकि पढ़ाई में अच्छे होते तो लोग इतना बोलते हैं कि मतलब, और सारे घर में डॉक्टर ही बैठे हुए कहते हैं कि तू क्या कर रहा है यार, क्या, और देख ले हम, एंड they were also like, you know, we won't tell, my parents also like कि किसी को कुछ बताते नहीं अभी कि तू देख ले, उनको ब्रेन वॉश कर लिया, किसी ने कर दिया होगा कॉलेज में, किसी कुछ में थोड़ा टाइम में चेंज हो जाएगा. बट या एंड देन अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टार्ट कमिंग इन. आई वाज वेरी फोकस्ड अबाउट वांटिंग इट. तो वो मुझे पता था कि वो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं चेंज होने वाला. और तभी मैं, मेरे घर वाले बोलते भी थे जो बीच में MBA बोलते थे, हाँ वो तब की तब देखी जाएगी, अभी तो मैं कर रहा हूँ, एंड if God forbid things don't work out, then I'll figure out something else. But I'll figure it out. But you don't have to stress about it.
That music was also just a hobby.
Yeah, again hobby. Again, COVID mein I started doing covers.
And hobby to mismatched is a big jump.
Again, did Jugaadistan with Akash, and Akash said कि तू गाने गाता है. Do you want to make something for Mismatch? We're looking for something new. And he liked my sound. And I was like, हाँ पक्का, I will do something. I played him something that I wrote specially for Mismatch, and he liked it, and he's like, you should build this too, give me a final product of it and then I'll take the call.
Did they give you the brief of Mismatched when you wrote it?
No, Akash is very discreet that way. He loves playing with you thoda time ke liye, and you know that's his best thing is he'll give you a slight brief. He's like, I want this heartbreak, love, but I wanted what is your perspective of like heartbreak and love? What do you think about it? I just want something like that. कुछ ऊपर नहीं, कुछ नीचे नहीं, तेरा जो मन कर रहा है तो कर, अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो पक्का ले रहा हूँ मैं. And yeah, it worked out, and then the song was out, sounded great, and I was like, यार ये तो maybe I can do music. So yeah, I think things worked out really, like fortunately and luckily, and I'm doing another song. I'm doing Mismatch 3 also, and Call Me Bay as well.
You're doing the entire music or a song in there?
A song. I wanted to do entire music, but maybe it's time abhi.
Next Call Me Bay, the trailer is coming.
Yeah,
very
hopefully.
Soon. Yeah, it's coming.
20th.
20th, it's coming. Yeah.
But hopefully the music launch happens. The song will come out slightly a week before the release, and it's a love song. So I really hope कि वो भी लोगों को अच्छा लगे. I started writing only during COVID. उससे पहले I didn't write. I was never a writer. I used to just do covers. So yeah, writing just became my perception. थोड़े टाइम बाद म्यूजिक लिखना शुरू किया, and I was like, हाँ यार, I can write maybe. तो बस धीरे एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू किया. Mismatch में भी I wrote one of my first few Hindi songs I wrote is Janu Na actually.
Wow. it's a growing industry actually.
हाँ.
Independent
Music, yeah.
music.
Please.
It's a fair like बहुत जोर से growing industry in India especially right now.
Yeah.
Because even if you compose or make something for yourself, they're gonna take it. Some people they take it.
Yeah, and the best part is with independent artists, they're putting in a lot more effort because they're giving you something new.
Yeah.
आपको बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक सुनना है वो तो हमेशा रहेगा आपके पास और ट्रेंड्स चेंज करते रहते हैं, लाइफ चेंज करती रहती है. बट यार वो जो what we are trying to build, there are so many other people doing so much better than me also in terms of music, building such good music. I mean, you have to push them because they can give you that product that you don't know will come out, which will really give you that global move also.
Right.
और वो हमारे यहाँ से आ सकते हैं. कोई हम we're not bad at music. We're actually the greatest at music in terms of like, like look at in general Bollywood music only.
Yeah.
Getting everything catering around to all these newer artists, giving them opportunities. It's only time when we'll also be there on Spotify 50. Abhi aaya hai, there's one song that is there, but more and more, I guess.
I want to talk about actually Fame Game. Because the character you played, it's very nuanced. I am so glad because I love दोनों का chemistry.
Thank you so much.
I genuinely liked it. मुझे बुरा लग रहा था for your character and for because you were the accepting one.
Yeah. Loud and proud.
Yeah.
that's what they used to tell us. Loud and proud, or he's the one who's not been able to express himself.
Yeah, exactly. How did you prepare for it? Because there are chances आप लोगों को offend कर सकते हो.
110%. The only thing, the last line that you said was the most important line for me. मेरे को बहुत matter करता था कि I want people from the community to understand that, like, definitely like if I'm a straight individual portraying someone from a community, I want to keep in mind कि यार it shouldn't look caricature. पहले तो I hate it. I hate that whole idea. I don't want to do physicality and do movements क्योंकि यार you're literally differentiating between a human being. And
exactly.
And my question became the one most important thing that I believed in. यार how we love can never change.
Yeah.
How two people from different communities, different genders, whatever you want to call it, can call it, how they would love would be the same love that any heteronormative individual would share. And I mean, that's something I also wanted to bring it across. I had a chat with a couple of people who belonged from a community, and again, I have friends who are like a Samar, who are like an Avi, who were always there, and they were just like me. They were just like anyone else who was living. I mean, how they different? And the problem is the tagline with that different. And वही यही नहीं चाहता था मैं कि वो लगे. यार definitely आप accepting हो तो क्या हो गया उसमें? It's my problem that अगर आप accepting भी हो तो why do you have to make it a different person? Do accepting people react and act differently?
Like how do you show accepting? You can't do it.
You just believe in yourself.
It's internal.
A straight human being also is believing in himself. He's accepting. What is this? Why do you have to bring that terminology of someone accepting something? It's your identity. So that was something that also I really wanted to come across. मैं बहुत stressed था, सच बता रहा हूँ. I was really stressed about it. जब शुरू करने भी वाला था, क्योंकि यार वो डर लगता है कि कभी ऐसा ना लगे लोगों को, और शायद लोग बातें ना करते, शायद लोग बोलते ना, बट लोग बातें करें, लोगों को पसंद है, and people from community giving me love, I honestly that was something that when I really felt happy, क्योंकि यार सबसे ज़्यादा मैटर वो चीज़ करती है. You feel that you've done something, like if it made you feel for Samar, I think my job was done.
What's next? And do you have someone you're like dying to work with?
Oh, that's a good one, yeah. So many. But yeah, there are a couple of shows that have happened before NNN happened.
Okay.
And hopefully they come out. Because, there's a little bit of lull in terms of timelines and work coming out and not out. But I hope I can reveal them. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि platform कौन सा है, क्योंकि पहले किसी और के लिए था, अब क्या पता कि change हो जाए. There's something I am starting next month. And work is definitely there. I hope it comes out sooner. To work with people, I think if I had to work with one, यार कितने cliched answers होंगे, पर सारी cliched लगेंगे. But again,
I am all for cliched.
Delhi boy at heart, I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan. I really want to. Manifesting it till the time it comes out, but working with him in a way that I really get to spend some time with him.
Yeah.
And again, I think honestly, I would want to work with everyone. इसके बाद मौका मिले यार,
Yeah,
क्योंकि ये तो सुपरस्टार वाले लोग हैं जो जिनके साथ आई वुड लव टू स्पेंड सम टाइम एंड इवन वर्क विद, एंड इवन इफ आई गेट अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ लाइक, जैसे आपका माधुरी का, तो मैं कहूँगा कि अगर आधा घंटा भी मिल जाए उनके साथ तो मैं खुश हूँ। शायद मेरे को उतना ज़्यादा चाहिए भी नहीं होगा, बट इफ आई हैड टू वर्क विद एक्टर्स, एवरी एक्टर आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद, एनीवन, एवरीवन, कोई ऐसा कुछ डिस्पैरिटी नहीं है. So many actors in general, the new ones, maybe like a Nawaz, Pankaj, Randeep I worked with, and but list of every other artist that exists, कोई रणबीर कपूर का काम करना चाहता है मैं. I'd like to work with him as well.
He's one of my favorite actors.
Yeah, same. I like him as well. Ranveer Singh as well. If opportunity, कोई camps नहीं है सबके साथ. भाई बादशाह, सैफ, संजय दत्त, कुछ भी मिलेगा मैं कर रहा हूँ.
All good. Any filmmakers work that, of course, like I said, like you said, वो काम करना होता है, but still you feel like करना ही है ये तो.
विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी. Want to work with him.
I love the fact he didn't give cliched answers. He is an amazing director.
ये क्योंकि मैं सोच चुका हूँ. I feel like when you work with actors ना यार, actors co-stars ना बहुत सारे मिलते रहते हैं. बहुत जैसे जयदीप इलाहत I would love to work.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one too, हाँ. But अब वो आए नाम तो ऐसे
List लंबी है.
List टू की शुरू तो सबके साथ करना चाहूँगा काम. But again, वो the whole idea is that directors ना, they really, the way they control a ship and the way they navigate it is something very different. And Vikramaditya Motwani has some really nice like work options, the way he works, everything. And I want to work with him to understand how he works, I want to understand
just
his routine, just to learn, because
Yeah.
his aspects and his understanding of filmmaking is something that I really admire. And again, so many other directors also. Luckily, कुछ लोग का काम भी कर लिया है. Vijay के साथ I had the opportunity to work with, and even Cat में I had the opportunity to work with Balli Paji, Balwinder Singh Janjua, and they're great. But again, if I had to name people, then at the back of my head, Motwani, like Vikramaditya Motwani, really comes out. Like the first person is like.
Yeah, I got it. That's what I was looking for. The first person that comes out. You are one of the leads here.
Yeah.
And अभी वो कर लिया है. Now does it when work comes to you, कुछ तो you have already shot, वो release होगा, that's a different thing. But now when it comes to you, वो आता है दिमाग में कि यार I want leads, या फिर give me a good part and I'll do it.
Yeah, honestly, actors are hungry for sure, hungry and desperate for work.
Yeah.
I wish I had few more family members here. Nepotism has just started.
Yeah, it's just coming.
Abhi, like mom and dad need to start funding more. But once they do, I guess then I'd be more sure about it.
Yeah.
I'd love to work, but again, it depends on the degree of what the character is also. Not gonna शायद थोड़ा बहुत hesitation और hindrance जरूर है, but ऐसा कोई मना नहीं है मेरी तरफ से कि सोचना ही नहीं है. अगर if it's great, it's good enough, and if someone is more, when you're also doing auditioning or characters, आपको काफी बार कैरेक्टर मिलता है इसलिए क्योंकि वो आप में ज़्यादा ढलता अच्छा है. तो कभी का शायद लीड आप में शायद ज़्यादा ना ढले, शायद ढल जाए, बट हाँ करने का मौका मिलेगा तो यार लीड ही करना चाहूँगा. If work persists and permits me to, then yeah, I can be approved and say that artists have leads. But I'd love to know more, love to work with more people, and if it helps me to work with more people by putting myself a step down, I think I can do it.
Wow, amazing. Lastly, I forgot actually. I wanted to talk to you about it. How did you get the Swiss film?
Insane.
People are not getting like Indian film. How did you get a Swiss film?
I was auditioning for Fame Game. I went to the office and.
For Fame Game, you said.
Yeah.
Okay,
and they're the same people who casted for it as well. So I was going and I resemble this not an American actor, but he's Italian, but he's an American, and his name is Al Pacino. And some people say that I really resemble him, and then it just became a thing. And the director really felt that I looked like him. So उन्होंने कहा मुझे Al Pacino चाहिए यार अपने. And again, मेरे थोड़े अफगानी roots भी हैं. My mom's side of the family is from Afghanistan, so it was great कि I could play my Baluchi blood.
Yeah.
Also learn a little bit of Pashto, थोड़ा, because we talk a lot. Our conversations are in Pashto. एक show Swiss German में है, but बातें तो हम पश्तो में ही कर रहे हैं उसमें भी. और वो नीचे डब आ रहा है हमारा. But वही था कि उनको दूसरी जगह, और उन्होंने कहा कि इसको ऑडिशन करते हैं. फिर ऑडिशन तो यार थोड़ा हमें टेररिस्ट बनना था, तो ऐसा नहीं था कि I had to really go and be like, it was not a very hectic audition to be honest. The training and the preparation of it, they got some practitioners, theatre practitioners from abroad, this guy named Giles Foreman who really trained us for like a week or 2 weeks to get prepped for like a guy who's destined to kill and can sacrifice anything.
To be a terrorist.
Yeah, terrorist was that because these
It's
are
difficult.
again, it's a real story.
Yeah,
so I played a real person who died.
Okay.
It's based on it's based on a story of these two people who get imprisoned and by these like Afghani terrorists, aka Talibanis, and then they're moved to Afghanistan where they spend 286 odd days in under them, and how they're able to leave, how they find freedom is what it's about, and the real people that they encounter, we are playing them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing, and kudos to you. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we good to go?
I hope
Okay.
so.
You have to be unfiltered, huh? Anyway, nothing like that. Okay. So first, 3 things that you want for your birthday.
I'll tell you. The first thing that I want to do is I want to get another project, hopefully with Vikram Motwani, which I already talked about before, and then I would want to also do a film, a feature, if life persists, and something of a bigger category, and also get more leads if life permits for me too.
Amazing. Okay, words that rhyme with star.
Star, car, bar, flower, and spar.
Done, we're done with 3.
Tar.
You're good. Okay, things you can't touch.
Hair. Not able to touch about the light right here, and sometimes not able to touch my back. So that's about it.
Nice one. Excuses for being late.
I didn't get a cab today. I was still late. Then the Uber I cancelled, and is the cab thing only. I got busy with something, and I'm really sick.
Oh, so
Which
stuck
I-
in traffic is not yours.
Stuck in traffic. The thing is, stuck in traffic तक ना I think realize हो जाता है कि मुश्किल हो रहा है. वहाँ तक believable हो जाती है excuse तुम्हारे लिए भी कि यार I give it to them then. हाँ कि possible ही नहीं है.
Okay. Things that you can put in your pocket.
My keys, my AirPods, and my wallet.
Things that are sticky.
Things that are sticky, gel, hair gel, sticky, oil, and chewing gum.
Yeah, he can also say a few people, maybe. Which you don't want in your life. Okay. Things you shouldn't say on a first date.
You look really different from your pictures, and so I don't think I'm interested in this. So can we do it some other time?
You shouldn't do this on your first date. You can do that if you don't like the person.
No, but you can't be that mean and just leave, you know. You just met someone, be like, अच्छा यार मैं अभी नहीं कर रहा, मैं जाता हूँ, कभी और करेंगे.
By the way, you don't look like your pictures is something that I have done.
You shouldn't do it. Even if you feel it, you can't voice it out at that point. You can literally go and and just at that point, because it's catfish.
Yeah, I know.
Or just be like, just meet them and be like, is this a catfish? Am I on catfish? So yeah, that's also another one.
Yeah, I realized it. Okay, things silly superpowers that you would want, or any superpowers that
I
you
want to
would
fly. One thing definitely I want to eat food and not gain any kind of weight. It's also the next thing. It's a big superpower if you have it. And
Yeah.
and also, like, again, not lose that. It's all part, like, not use that muscle tone and whatever.
Yeah.
Feel fit the whole life around, and not age as much.
Okay. Things you shouldn't do in a hotel room.
If you order room service, try to keep the plates outside, because then the smell keeps on
Yeah.
staying in the room. And if you are in the hotel, don't don't do weird things that can get caught.
Yeah, I know. Point taken. Genres of music.
R&B, neo soul, Bollywood,
You can go on and on and
yeah,
on. Yeah.
indie pop, alternate rock, alt pop. Yeah, there's so many.
Ways to say hello.
Hi, hi with 3 eyes, hi with 4 eyes.
On WhatsApp you made.
Yeah, hi. Hi, hey, hello, how are you?
Nice things you do at the gym.
Workout, also workout. Look at myself sometimes and feel like maybe there's a change. And third and foremost is try to run away from it most of the times and feeling like I don't want to do it, but then eventually I have to go through it. So that's the third one.
Lastly, 3 ways to describe yourself. 3 words.
Sweet, an actor, wanting to do music, and workaholic.
Workaholic.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, you're workaholic.
I love it.
Nice. Amazing. And just what to end with it, the recipe that I asked you to read, if you're okay with it.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is this recipe. Okay, I have I'm giving you options, whatever you choose. There's this recipe that you can read in different the tone I'll tell, or whichever tone you want. And there are some famous Hindi. The other choices. There are some famous Hindi dialogues that you can say in different emotions.
ठीक है.
Which one would you pick? I'm giving you an option right now.
हिंदी डायलॉग्स यार, why not?
Hindi dialogues.
छोटे-छोटे हैं ना, ज़्यादा लंबे
अरे बहुत छोटे हैं. It's like dialogues or names or titles, movie titles. ठीक है, चलो. पहला, अरे ओ सांबा कितने आदमी थे? In a romantic way.
रियो सांबा कितने आदमी थे? It's kind of cute. I did it. Yeah.
Cute is romantic.
Yeah, cute romantic.
But that you did it very quick.
Thank you.
Nice. Okay. फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीज़ों की वजह से चलती है. Entertainment और मैं entertainment हूँ.
Romantic.
No. Say it in a sexy way.
फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीज़ों से चलती हैं. Entertainment और entertainment. और मैं entertainment हूँ.
Nice. You do it really quick. Next, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. In a romantic way.
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
I wish Ekta Kapoor ma'am watches it. Watch it. She watches it. Okay. Lastly, नाम नमक निशान.
Do it right in a
Sorry. Do it in an angry way.
नाम नमक निशान.
Wow. Is this something that your character would do?
नहीं, my character would be like Punjabi, like naam namak nishan. Like I don't even know how Gurbaz would actually be like naam namak nishan. Like slightly more like his voice is slightly youngish in a way. Like he's a very young at heart, happy-go-lucky boy.
Amazing. On that note, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
It was pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
I hope I meet again soon.
Hopefully, fried rice and
yeah.
chicken tikka guitar.
Yeah, I was talking about the projects, but for fried rice, for sure.
Definitely.
For fried rice and many more projects, Vikramaditya Motwani film, and yeah, just hoping good things for you. All the best, and you have watched the show pura? You've seen the show?
No, we didn't get an opportunity because it's been 17 episodes, and yesterday it came out, and yesterday since morning we were at the office trying to do a little bit of interviews, and aaj thoda bahut dekha, but 17 is long, so long weekend is there. Watch it. बहुत time है.
This is amazing show that has come up. Naam Namak Nishan. Please do watch it. I'm saying it to you.
Please, you also please watch it, and everyone please watch it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.